that if the Trump administration causes violence across the United States and he declares martial law, what would be the ramifications to civil liberties?
Well, it would mean that, I'm guessing the first thing they would do is try to suspend habeas corpus, which has happened 4 or 5 times in our history. I think the last time, I think there was actually a more recent time. I don't recall the details, but before that it was, the Alien Enemies Act with the Japanese in World War II. Lincoln, of course, suspended habeas. Habeas corpus means you can't be imprisoned without legal process, without due process. And suspending the habeas corpus means that the government can grab you off the street and stick you in a jail cell for as long as they want without even telling you why they've done it. And so that would probably be the number one thing that they would do. But frankly, I think that what they would do is all the things that they're doing right now. They would go after the judges and terrorize them. They would go after the lawyers and threaten their livelihood. They would go after the media and threaten the media. I mean, these are all the things that you see in authoritarian countries, and they're all things that the Trump administration is literally doing right now as we speak, right in front of God and everybody. So, anybody who tries to sell you the notion that Trump is not an authoritarian, that he's not marching America rapidly in the direction of a dictatorship, is trying to sell you BS.
Well, I'll be out there on April 5th.
Yeah, good. A lot of us need to get out there. It's got to be a big deal. Thom, thank you for the call. This is, we've got to take this very, very seriously. We are moving in the direction of not just oligarchy. I mean, we're already there. 18% of all spending in the last election was done by 150 billionaire families. 18%. Right? They represent 0.0000015% of the population. But it's getting the authoritarian part of it now is getting really scary, or really dangerous for us.